Nets. Nets are two-dimensional drawings that represent the surface area of three-dimensional solids. So here we have a cube, and if we were to unfold this cube, we would have one side, and then we would have four sides linked together, and then another side across from the original. There is more than one way to draw a net for a cube. However, not all nets can be folded into a cube. For example, we would get this square here would be a side, this would be the top, and this would be the right side. This would be the bottom right here, this one, and then this would be the top again. So there would be too much of an overlap, so it doesn't actually make a cube for this net case. To get a better idea or understanding of how nets are used to create 3D figures, we can click on this link to bring up the website, learner.org, and they have some nets and 3D solids that rotate around. So here's a triangular prism, and here's its net, and if we play the net, it actually folds and unfolds the net. And we can pause it whenever we would like. We can do the same with a rectangular prism. So notice we have the two sides, side, side, and this will be the top. So if we play it, it folds up as so. You can see how when you unfold it, we get this shape again. They also have pentagonal prisms. So it looks like this, and it shows how the two pentagonal sides fold up, as well as the very top rectangle, and then the rest go around. And this is what it'll look like spinning three-dimensionally. And last we have an octagonal prism. So the two octagons come up and the rectangles go around them. And this is what it looks like three-dimensionally. A lot of times, especially if this is the first time that students are learning about three-dimensional solids, having the nets fold and unfold helps give them a better perspective of how you go from two-dimensional to three-dimensional and vice versa. Another good real-world example that they would use possibly every day or every week are pizza boxes. Pizza boxes are rectangular prisms. Have them fold and unfold pizza boxes so that they can see how the cardboard is used to construct the boxes and how they fold and unfold. Nets for prisms will always follow the same pattern. They will have rectangular faces, and they will have two bases for which the solid is named. So the two bases outlined in red, dark red, are triangles. So this is a triangular prism. And you can see how it would go from the net to fold up the two bases and then take the rectangles all the way around. Here are some more nets for the same triangular prism. You could have the two triangles right on top of one another and the three rectangles going straight through. You could have it looking something like an S, or this one, or even more of a pinwheel style with an extra triangle down below. But they will all form the same triangular prism when you fold up the sides. Nets for pyramids will have triangular faces that are all the same, and one face that's a base that's different, for which again the solid is named. So this is a square pyramid. You also don't have to draw the net of this pyramid to look this way. A lot of times you will see a square base pyramid's net drawn more something like this, where you have the square and then the triangles going all the way around it. Like so. So this is another common way to draw a square pyramid.